Number 4 and number 5 are pretty close together just because I recommend that you do this two together, okay, and as soon as possible. The reason being, you don't need a good credit score to be able to open number 4, a pledge loan, and number 5, a self-lender account or a self-credit builder or a credit builder account like Credit Strong, Kick Off, and Self like what my daughter is using. And I will tell you, and I will share to you number 4 and number 5, why you have to do them side by side. Now, if you are new to Navy Federal and finally you have your checking account and your savings account set up, go ahead and open a pledge account as soon as possible. You can do it for either $250, which takes you to a 6-month term, or $501 if you can take, which you can take for a term of 12 months. So now, with a pledge loan, you're not really tying up a lot of money because remember, you can pay off your pledge loan for up to 90%, anywhere from 70 to 90%, and it will give you a consistent on-time payments of that will really help your credit because it reports to all the 3 credit bureaus on a monthly basis. So that is a big boost. Another advantage for the pledge loan is that, remember, it is an installment loan. So that's really great for you. I will also give you a link to my pledge loan videos at the bottom on the description and the comment section below, so you can check that out, okay? Because that will be too long to discuss here. But I say pledge loan, Navy Federal, either $250 minimum or $501 or more, okay? Check out what a pledge loan is with Navy Federal, how to do it, the advantages and all that. Check out those pledge loan videos. Number 5 that I would really like to stress out, okay, especially if you don't have a credit score, you don't have credit, you have very bad credit, or you are rebuilding credit. Why a credit builder account is so important. Now, what is a credit builder account? They are accounts wherein a lender will actually loan you money, but you are paying on that account. Now, it is locked in. You cannot withdraw it. You have to make monthly payments. And the thing is, the credit builder institution will actually report to the credit bureaus, okay? There are many out there in the market. There is Credit Strong. There is Self, which my daughter used, and it really did work. There is Kick Off. There is one by Money Lion. There is one by SeedFi, and there are a lot out there, but go ahead and do a research for that. In a nutshell, a credit builder account is an account where you pay into, your payments get reported to all the 3 credit bureaus, and after the end of the term of the loan is that the lender gives you your money back. But there are fees involved, of course, okay, because they have to handle your account. Now, and this is where you can compare the different credit builder programs, okay? Now, what happens is that with a credit builder account, according to the CFPB, you can improve or boost your credit score to up to 24%. Now, in my daughter's case, we used Self, the Self Credit Builder account. And in less than 3 months, her credit score jumped from 601 to 701, 702. And one thing we liked about the Self Credit Builder account is that after 3 months of continuous payments, they gave her a secured credit card, a Visa, for about $200 or $250, which she started using and also boosted her credit, okay? So it, side by side, she had the credit builder account. It gave her an installment loan when she started it, okay? It's an installment loan. On her 3rd month, she got a secured Visa. Now that's a revolving account. So right away, right there, when she started it, she had an installment account and a revolving account. Now, to add to that, she has the pledge loan with Navy Federal, which is also an installment account. So that adds to your credit mix. Now, let's say you have the credit builder account which is reporting on-time payments. You have the secured credit card, which is also reporting on-time payments if you are really making good on those payments. And you also have a pledge loan that is reporting on-time payments. And on-time payments, remember, is a big credit booster just because it is about 35% of your credit score. So even without any credit card, without any other credit card, any other accounts, and let's say if you are just starting to build your account, you already have those 3 accounts that can really boost your credit. And you also get the advantage of being able to report and add to your credit mix because you have a revolving account and you also have an installment account. Now you might ask, what if I have such a bad credit? I have collections, I have derogatory reports on my credit profile. Let me tell you, yes, you have those. And if you are trying to rebuild your credit, do the other things that you need to do to improve your credit, like bringing your utilization down, all that good stuff. Now, with these other accounts that are reporting on-time payments, I tell you, it does help you a lot despite the negatives on your credit profile. Me, as an example, I will tell you right now, and to be honest with you, I still have a collection with Geico that I could not seem to get rid of. And I know that there are strategies out there on how to get rid of that. That 116 collection is still on my credit report. It is on my TransUnion. And remember, Navy Federal has been pulling TransUnion. But guess what? Even with that negative collection of $116, guess what? I was still able to get a $25,000 cash rewards credit card and a flagship credit card, a personal loan of about $15,000, and it's just they're still giving me credit limit increases. And remember, for those accounts, they were pulling TransUnion. They did not care about my collection. So, and I'm still running an 800 on my credit score just because I have so many things on there that are positive. So see, that's just to share that information and hopefully to inspire you, okay? Now, those are negatives, those are derogatories, but work on adding a lot of positives on your credit report. Now, I did try to get rid of my collection. So I wrote letters to all the 3 credit bureaus, okay? Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So far, just lately, Experian finally removed my collection record on my credit profile. And then followed by Equifax. Equifax took a long time. It took about, I would say, 2 or 3 months before they were able to get take that off of my credit report. But TransUnion, so far, I haven't been able to do that yet. So, and remember, it is with TransUnion that that gets pulled every time I apply for the Navy Federal products. But so far, even with that collection, Navy Federal has been very, very, very helpful, to me. So again, number 4 and number 5 are pretty close together, and I really recommend for you to do them side by side because it is a big credit booster based on my experience and my daughter's experience. So that is the reason why I'm sharing that with you, because you can do a lot more strategies, but if you do those 2, remember, it does not matter. The amount of your credit builder account is not so much. It is the record and the reporting of your on-time payments. So you can do this even without really tying up your funds, okay? And at the end of your term, yes, you may be paying some fees, but you have accounts that are reporting to the credit bureaus on-time payments if you do this on auto pay. And I recommend that if you have any payments, make sure you put this on auto pay. It will just be so much easier for you to have that record, and the longer the time that you're paying on it, it looks good on your credit profile. And I tell you, that's why it's a great credit booster. Now, one thing I would recommend, especially for those who are building credit, who are starting to improve their credit because you already have a bad credit score, or those who are rebuilding credit, let's say from bankruptcy, your slate is very clean right now. It's empty. It doesn't have anything on it. Get started on these things and start building on it. The thing with us sometimes is that we wait, until things happen. It's not going to happen if you don't take the first step and don't make the right moves. So really just hustle, get on it, get started on it. And because remember, time is very important. The more that time passes, the things that you planted, the seeds that you planted initially, remember, will grow. And as time goes on, you will just be surprised of your results. But if you do that, put things on autopay, just let it happen, just keep it there, and be very good with all the other strategies that you will need to do to help build your credit. Okay, it's not impossible. You can be there. Do not despair, and just really, really get started. That's all I can say and share based on my experience. Because for me, when I think about something and I want to achieve something, I really just get on it. I do not wait. Okay, so hopefully you will do the same thing. And like I said, research on the credit builder accounts, and then definitely check out resources and hope that this video will guide you to there. So again, this is Motionz Biz, and thank you so much for following me on this channel. I appreciate you very much. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And until next time.